Unit 2 will study about the restriction enzyme, basic endonuclease. Basically, restriction enzyme is a protein that produced by the bacteria, and it protects the bacteria from the bacteriophage. Basically, restriction enzyme recognize that cleavage that is present at the site of bacteriophage, and it cleaves the DNA of that. But bacteria itself get safer from this restriction enzyme because they basically the adenine and cytosine add methylase group on this restriction endonuclease, and therefore it help them to prevent the cutting of their DNA. Now, types of restriction endonucleases: type 1, type 2, and type 3. In type 1, the DNA they cut the DNA for the from the recognition sequence. In type 2, at a specific position, cutting occur, and it's the type 3 multifunctional protein with two subunits: restriction endonuclease and MOD. Now, the important role of important restriction enzyme is the important role in genetic engineering. They can be isolated from the bacteria in the lab. Restriction endonuclease recognizes small specific nucleotide sequence of the DNA known as recognition sequence. Recognition sequence पे restriction endonuclease act करता है और क्या होता है, it recognizes and hydrolyzes the bond between the adjacent nucleotide through the DNA molecule. इसका डीएनए लाइगेज क्या करता है, एक बॉन्ड मतलब इट्स मॉलिक्यूलर ग्लू कहते हैं इसको, ये बॉन्ड बनाता है बिटवीन phosphate of the one DNA to the deoxyribose group of the another strand. It is basically act the joining of Okazaki fragments of the DNA. DNA ligase can be used to introduce a gene into the plasmid vector. Now that use the various purposes in vivo and vitro, and basically role of DNA ligase is in recombination technology. It is basically 1 2 and 4 1 2 or 4 song can be learned. It can be only used in cloning experiment. Types of DNA ligase present in the eukaryotic type is 1 2 3 4 type of present. Application is that in genetic mapping they are basically used, and in DNA fingerprinting, like Alec Jeffrey has introduced this, used the satellite DNA or VNTR, वेरिएबल नंबर ट्रेंड रिपीट डेवलपमेंट में, ये सब डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प करता है, जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर को क्योर करने में, वैक्सीन बनाने में, जीन थेरेपी में, एंड फार्मा प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्मेशन में.